Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're changing the name recipient C. This affects outgoing mail only. First, sign into the specific Gmail account, then click the gear icon at top right and choose See All Settings. Once the full settings load, switch to the Accounts and Import tab. Make sure you focus on the Send Mail as section. That's where your current display name is stored. Ready to edit? Click the Edit Info link beside the address you want to change to begin. Now you'll change the name itself. Click Edit Info next to the relevant address in Send Mail As. In the dialog, type the new display name exactly how you want it shown. You can also select an alias if you've added one. Once entered, choose the radio button for the new name and click Save Changes. This writes the new display name to outgoing messages. Make sure to wait a few seconds for Google to process the change before testing. It's quick but not always instantaneous. Finish by composing a test email to a different account and check the From line. That verifies the change. If the name still shows old text, update the Gmail mobile app settings or remove and re-add the account on your device. If your address uses external SMTP or a Google Workspace account, you may need to verify via SMTP or ask your administrator to allow name changes. Troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache or sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.